Listen, if you're a freelancer, a brand designer, or honestly any kind of creator or graphic designer or video editor, you need to hear this. And after you apply these tips, you won't have to go looking for clients on the streets or social media or the internet. And it's not because you are going to get lucky or you go viral, it's just because there's a ridiculously simple strategy that makes clients come to you. Most people don't share this, but I'm sharing it to you for free. And the best part is, AI does most of the heavy lifting. I know most of us are afraid of AI. And if you're afraid of AI by this time, you should just quit. Here's the truth. It is people who know how to use artificial intelligence that are thriving right now. And the ones who know how to use it very well are thriving better than those who do not know how to use it. So today I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT and AI tools to find, pitch, and land high-paying clients without having to stress to get them, to send them spammy DMs or begging for work. So let's get into it. Number one, you have to introduce yourself to ChatGPT, right? Most designers and freelancers ask ChatGPT wrong questions, so it gives you generic answers. So why not try this? Once you get to your laptop, you say, "Hey ChatGPT, my name is Christopher. I'm a freelancer and a designer or a social media manager or a video editor. I help this kind of people," and then you now insert the link to your portfolio. Here's my portfolio. This way, anytime you ask for help, the AI will tailor its answers to your business need. Then number two, you can now use it to find clients, right? You can tell ChatGPT, based on my skills that you know, can you list 20 businesses or creators that might need my services? Example, if you're a brand designer or a graphic designer, the ChatGPT or the AI bot might give you small businesses with outdated branding, YouTubers who need better thumbnails and branding, coaches or course creators who need a strong online presence. Now, you're not just begging for work. You are targeting people who already need what you offer. So this saves you a lot of time. Instead of spending hours and hours and hours looking for who needs your service, you already have that tailored. But before reaching out, you have to make sure they actually need your service, so you can stream down or streamline your answers more. You can ask ChatGPT, can you analyze the client's website? Probably you get a few creators that are doing the same thing that you want to offer, the service you want to offer, and tell me what is missing that needs my services. The AI bot will now analyze it and tell you, oh, probably they need a brand designer because they have low engagement, they need a social media manager, and because their content is boring, they need a content creator. Now, you are not just pitching randomly, you are offering a real solution, right? The solution is very, very real. Now let's craft your pitch. I get it. Writing a pitch is very, very hard, and sometimes you might send boring DMs like, "Hey, I'm a freelancer. Need any help?" Have you seen those kind of messages in your email or in your spam folder? Nobody answers that. Instead, you can use ChatGPT or DeepSeek or any AI chatbot that you use to generate specific pitches. You can try this. "Hello ChatGPT, can you help me write a pitch for a client?" You put the client's name, addressing their weak branding and how I can improve it. That's if you're a brand designer. If you're not a brand designer, you can put your service. The AI will generate custom message that points out what is wrong, explain how you can fix it, and shows why fixing it will boost their business. Pro tip: don't just copy and paste it, edit it and make it to sound like you. That is why the AI is there. It's there to give you an idea, but then you have to make it sound like you, make it sound like a human. Then you can now craft a result or a pitch like, "I noticed your brand lacks consistency. Can I help?" Or you can try, "Hey John, I love what you are building, but I noticed your branding could be a little more polished so that I can really capture your audience, and I'd love to help create something that makes your brand stand out. Let's chat." So you keep it casual, you keep it real, and don't sound desperate, don't sound salesy, don't sound as if you don't get the client, you're going to die tomorrow. So you can see that by now, you already have, number one, a proven way to find the client using AI, a list of brands that need your help, and number three, a killer pitch that gets responses. And the best part is, the whole process takes you less than an hour a day. Then you can now use the rest of the time you would have used to search for clients online and and write the pitch and all that, you can use that to now send the emails or send the messages to specific clients that ChatGPT has helped you to streamline. Are you ready to find more clients? Let me know if you will love more of this kind of content in the comment section.